For most people, the promise of a hot summer day after a frigid winter brings thoughts of beaches, lemonades, and short shorts. But if you're a construction worker, summer can look like swamp butt, heat exhaustion, and the dreaded thigh chafing. So how do you survive a hot construction summer? Simply put, overexposure to heat while doing laborious work can lead to decreased productivity, illness, or even death. Even acclimatized workers who are used to extremely hot temps in places like Las Vegas or Dubai still suffer deteriorating motor skills necessary for construction activities. Since buildings get built year-round, there's gotta be some tried and true ways to beat the heat. From what we can see, there's not a lot of cutoff shorts and tank tops on job sites, so tradespeople wear the next best thing. Lightweight fabric. New technology has made more air-permeable clothing that is 10 to 20% lighter than its predecessors, while still being an effective barrier to workplace hazards. There's also moisture-wicking socks and summer boots that are more breathable and lightweight than their winter counterparts. You can even put a cooling skull cap under your hard hat to stay dry. Take that back, sweat. While protective gear is essential for construction safety, the summer sun makes it tempting to skip it. But what you should not skip is a good SPF protection. Many safety gear suppliers now sell clothes with SPF protection of 50+, detachable UV protection hard hat brim, and anti-fog UV protection safety glasses. Pair this with a good UV protective sunscreen and lip balm, and your skin will be as smooth as your cement. Hopefully your cement is smooth. No amount of external protection can override your internal cooling system. Here's where good old water comes in. While your morning cup of coffee or after-work beer can be a lifesaver, both beverages are major diuretics. Dehydration on a construction site is so dangerous that some work sites in Australia conduct hydration testing during the summer months to make sure employees arrive hydrated and ready to work. To combat the sun, drink 300 milliliters or roughly 10 ounces of water, sports drinks, and electrolyte juices like cherry, watermelon, and orange every 15 minutes. Then find a bathroom. It's better to drink frequently throughout the day than large quantities occasionally. Remember, by the time you feel thirsty, you're already dehydrated. In addition to liquids, low-salt snacks like fruits and veggies can also boost hydration. If broccoli's not your thing, try a specialty electrolyte replenishing freeze pop. Good for hydration and getting in touch with your inner child. Okay, so you're dressed in light clothes, you're hydrated, but now, ouch! Welcome to thigh rub. Even the most seasoned professional can still succumb to a summer heat-induced chafing. You can wear compression or tight-fitting athletic shorts. You can also try some medicated powder, chafing cream. In a pinch, petroleum jelly, or lip balm. Doesn't hurt to ask if you can wear those short shorts to work either. Might be a new trend. As the summer heat rears its bittersweet head, let's save the hot summer for the barbecues and not forklifts. If you've got more tips on how to make the next few months a not so hot construction summer, leave us a comment. And if you like this video and want to see more intriguing AEC content, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel.